Right, CW? Acha, yesterday I completed up to the difference of line, line segment and ray. Now, look. Acha, straight line, this one already done. Yesterday I told, no need to look at this. Huh? Today I'll start from here. Curve. What is curve? Okay. Acha, curve means basically if we have started to draw anything by a pencil, pen, okay, along with curved edge, look at this. Suppose we have started to draw this one and we stop here. We have started from here, we stopped over there. Got it? This one is called a curve. Got it? Now there are many types of curve. Closed curve, open curve, okay? Basically, closed figure, open figure, basically curve means if we join this one, look at this. This one, we have joined too. Yes or no? All of you just shake your head. Okay, this means this is joint. Is there any gap of this curve? No, na? That means this is called closed curve. Got it? Closed. Suppose we have drawn this thing. Look, here it is a gap, na? There is a gap. For this gap, it is called open figure. This one is closed figure. Understood all of you up to this? Yes or no, Meheria? Mohammad Sahim, Oishi, Shulagna, understood to this word? Acha, okay. Already it is in your book. Huh? Geometry, that one is in your book, but no need to open your book right now. At first, try to understand. Note down these points. Huh? Look at this. Acha, sorry, wait for a minute. Look at this. By moving a pencil along the curve edge like the coin it is given, we get a curve. Acha, for this one, you can write another statement also. The figure obtained by moving a pencil on a surface without lifting is called curve. This one statement I am writing. The heading curve, and no need to write this statement. No need to write this one. Instead of this, understood तो समझ में आया? The figure obtained by moving a pencil on a surface without lifting. On a surface without lifting. That means what? Let me explain. At first, write this. Without lifting is known as or is called a curve. After that, write curve. Got it? The figure obtained by moving a pencil on a surface without lifting is called a curve. Okay. All of you retain this one? I am waiting for 1 minute. Note down this one. the figure obtained by moving a pencil. Suppose we are taking a pencil and we have started to draw this on a surface. Surface means this face, okay, this place, this one. Suppose you are drawing on a paper, okay, that means that paper, that page, that is the surface, okay. So on the surface without lifting means we have to draw it in one time, okay, only in one time. How much portion we can draw in one time? Suppose in this way, we have drawn this in one time. Got it? Understood though? Farzana, Paushali, this one. Then I have taken out the pencils from here. It has been lifted. Again, I have started from here. It will not make a curve. This total figure will not be a curve. Got it? Because there is a gap. पेंसिल को हमने उठा लिया ना, सो पेंसिल जैसा है वैसा ही रहना चाहिए. We have to keep it same. Only in one time how much we can draw without lifting. Okay, got it? Is it clear to everyone? Mohammad Sahim, Anubhav, Acha, Ashif, Trisha, Baiya, Shirin. Understood too? Shornakshi, Noraz, Shaud, Sheikh Irfan, Sheikh Arhan. Okay, beta. Acha, now look, Anjum. Acha, look at this. Acha, now open and close. You have understood too? Close means it will be, there will be no gap. And open means this one. It is open figure, na? Now write. Acha, after writing that one curve, just draw any figure, huh? Below of that, draw any figure, this one, and also you can draw this one. Also you can draw this one. Draw this figure. Below of curve, you have written na curve. Below of it, draw this figure, these three figures. After that, give heading, closed curve, open curve. Done? Now, closed curve, write this one. A figure that begins and ends at the same point is called closed curve. That means what? Suppose we have started to draw from this point, huh? After doing this, okay. Suppose we have to stop over there. That means there will be no gap. Look, we have started here and we have ended also here. Yes, though. Trisha, Shornakshi, Oishani, Obhipsha, yes or no? Sushnata, Maushim, Afrina, understood? Acha, okay, beta. That means that is called closed curve. So write the definition of closed curve, only this bracket portion, and draw the figure, huh? Draw any one figure. Just write this one and draw this figure. Which one I am drawing over there? Okay, this one. First, do it. Farzana. First, do it. Acha, Rajpreet, Enakshi, Sushnata, and Farhan Malik. Understood? Acha, good. Ankita, Ashia, Sharanya, Sampriti. Understood too? Okay, beta, good. Acha, Diptashi, Shoikot Bera, Shornakshi. Understood? Okay, good. Shrestha, Raiza, Shifat, Ishika, Paul. Okay, good. Parijat, Vajit, Pratibha, Banasri. Understood? And keep your camera on, beta. Ashmit, Ananya, Somdatta, Anushka, keep your camera on. keep your camera on. हाँ. Oishi, Shayon, understood? Shayon, keep your camera on. Pratibha, understood, beta? Okay. Done up to this. Now open figure. Write down this one, this point. Closed figure, write this one. And write this example, draw this one. Open figure, write this. An open figure doesn't end at the starting point is called a figure which doesn't end at the starting point. Suppose we are starting from here and we stopped over there. Okay? Look, this is starting point, this one ending point. Both are different, na? So this is called open curve. Look at this. Write and note down, draw this figure. Next heading will be polygon. Oishi, Shayon, understood too? Okay. Pratibha completed? Acha, okay. Now next one, okay. Write polygon. Acha, I am writing over there. Huh? Next one, polygon. Acha, before starting polygon, let me say one thing. Acha, if we draw this figure, then this is a triangle. All of you know to? This one triangle na, Ishika? But this is also closed curve. Yes or no? Yes. Because look, there is no gap na. This one is also a closed curve. Understood too? Trisha, Shampriti, understood? Okay. Now look at this. Polygon, give heading polygon. All of you first. Sheikh Irfan, where are you? Acha, now look. Before polygon also let me explain one thing. Acha, these are the closed curve. So, these are simple closed curve. Acha, if we draw this one, this is also closed curve. So, yes or no? This one is also closed curve. Bonusri. But what is, and this one is also closed curve. Sharanya. But what is the difference between these two? This one is, both are closed curve, but this one is simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Look, it looks now like this. One time again it have touched, it have crossed each other, but here look, there is no crossed portion. Na? Okay, so this one is simple closed curve. All of you can remember this one though? Simple closed curve. Okay. Now look, give heading polygon. Write the definition. Polygon means nothing, actually a simple closed curve. But there will be no portion. Basically, it will be made up of straight line. Huh? Just like I am making a simple closed curve like this. And I am making a simple closed curve in this way. What will be polygon? Which one? Ashmit, which one will be polygon? This one. Okay. Because it is made up of straight line only. Look. So many straight line. But here, suppose another figure I am taking in this way. Look, here are two straight line. Yes, it is correct. But this one is not a straight line. Na? Look. It is not a straight line though. That means this one is not a polygon. Okay. Understood everyone? Vahia, Oishani, Obhipsha, Trisha, Anjum, Farzana, Afrina, Meheria. Nusaiba, understood? Okay. That means, write the definition of polygon, a simple closed curve A simple closed curve written made up of line segment. Are you able to see the screen? Made up of three or more than three line segment. Three or, write this one, huh? More than, after this I am writing here, huh? More than three line segment. Complete this one first. Sushnata, Shirin, Oishani, Obhipsha, Anjum, Vahia completed. Shulagna, is there any network issue? Shulagna, what are you trying to do? Dancing? Huh? Keep your camera on, Shulagna, otherwise you will be marked as absentee. Huh? This is dancing class, beta, or maths class? Acha, Shornakshi, Ashmit, understood too? Completed. Now let me again explain this polygon, okay? Okay, good. Acha, all of you completed up to this? Trisha, Shaud, Mohammad Sahib, Trisha understood? Acha, okay. Shirin, Anubhav, Ashif Mullah, okay. Acha, now let me clear it, huh? Acha, that means what is the difference between polygon and closed curve? If I ask you, can you say? Closed curve means all of them. Suppose I am drawing triangle, this figure, circle, okay, this one, all of them are closed curve. But polygon means only this one, made up of lines, three or more than three lines, right? Now it is clear. Sushnata, Vahia, Shaud. Acha, if we draw this one, this will be closed curve or polygon. This figure, closed curve, exactly. Acha, if we draw this one, look at this. This one will be closed curve or polygon. Polygon and closed curve both. Okay. This will be both. Look at this. In closed curve, we have also drawn this triangle now. Polygon means only line segment, made up of line segment. And closed curve means maybe line segment, maybe other. Got it? Is it clear? Vahia, Oishani, Obhipsha, Arhan, Shampriti, Enakshi understood too? Acha, okay. So now everyone look at this. Now write polygon. Suppose, polygon means it is made up of three or more than three line segment. Three or more than three, yes to. Now, what are the names of the polygon? Write. First one, triangle made up of three line segment. That is, I am writing three sides. Huh? The figure is in this way. Number second one, if there are four line segment, then it is called quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral. That means 4 line segments or 4 sides. Third one, pentagon. Acha, the figure will be in this way, 4 sides, okay? Pentagon. Five sides. The figure will be in this way. Got it? Noras, are you writing? Fourth one. Hexagon. Six sides. It will be in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now write the fifth one. Heptagon. Okay. That is made up of 7 sides. Okay. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There are 2 sides. Huh? One this one, another this one. All of you written up to heptagon? Yes, okay. Mohammad Sahim, are you writing? What are you doing? Now write the next one. Octagon. Octagon. Moshim completed? No, acha, I'm waiting. Octagon means Sheikh Arhan, how many sides? Show it by using your finger. Octagon. Good. 8 sides. And nonagon means? Nonagon means how many? 9. And decagon means 10 sides. Okay. Acha, I'm clearing the screen. Number 6th one. Write octagon. Moshim, not completed. Okay, Moshim, beta, give some space. I'll upload this in the study material section. 8 sides. Okay. Write this one first. Drawn 8 side. The 7th one, nonagon. That means 9 side. Okay. Look, 9 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And the 8th one is decagon. Ten sides, Okay. Look, I'm drawing the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is very much nearest, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Acha, now look at this. Don't worry, all the things, all the figure will be uploaded, okay?